Guess what? Today we're going to be colouring and drawing a popit unicorn. Woohoo! Start with the outline. And if you need to, you can pause the video and do one bit at a time. There we go. Let's do some stripes, horizontal going across from side to side, left to right. And now we're doing the poppers. So lots of circles in between each line. Brilliant! If you want, you could trace around a small circular object. That would make it easier. Brilliant! I wonder how many circles we will need to do all the poppers. Can you count them? Darkening up the border. That will make the colours stand out once we paint or colour it in. Did you manage to count how many poppers there were? How many circles? There are 28 circles! Well done! Great counting! So we've started with red. We're using a gorgeous glittery paint and a small tipped paintbrush. So we've gone for orange. Doing the circles first. Or you could just paint over the whole lot if you want it to be the same colour. Or why not use two different shades? One for the circles and one for the parts around the circles. Brilliant! Let's go for yellow. We're fading out here. Red to gold to yellow. Getting paler as we go. Lovely. What colour should we do next? Do you have a favourite colour? You can choose all your own favourite colours. You don't have to do the same as this. We're going to keep it yellow for the next one too. 2 layers of yellow, just like 2 layers of red. Green for the next part. That's right, because this is the neck of the unicorn going into the body. Lovely bright green that is. Blue. Very nice. You see how the colours are fading into one another? It's just like a rainbow. And what colour shall we do the last layer? Purple! What a great choice! Purple is my favourite colour. What's yours? This unicorn's looking amazing, don't you think? And we're done! Woohoo! There you have it. Get poppin'! It's a popit unicorn disco.
Look at this magical floating hot air balloon. Let's begin. A square for the basket. 2 lines to connect the skirt. And a big balloon. Cover the balloon with lines. And done! Time to paint. Start off with red and then green. Purple, the color gold, pink, cyan, orange, green, and red again. What a pretty balloon! Let's quickly complete it. Sea green for the skirt and golden for the details. Yay! Ready to fly? Woohoo! This is magical! Here is our lovely hot air balloon. See you next time! Hey kids! Let's draw some yummy popsicles. Let's draw a rectangle with curvy sides. and the ice cream stick. Join all the curvy lines just like this. Now a watermelon popsicle, a triangle, and then the stick. Add the seeds too. Easy, wasn't it? For the next one, draw the yummy popsicle and the stick. Let's add some stripes. And done! It's time to paint. First green. Add some pink. Let's use golden too. Paint the stick as well. Wow! On to the next one. Green and red for the yummy watermelon popsicle. Let's paint the seeds. Of course, don't forget the stick. For the last one, let's use some pretty purple. And sky blue too. Golden. And pink. And last, some green. Don't forget the stick again. Wasn't it so much fun drawing yummy glitter popsicles? Hey kids! Today we're going to draw a lovely butterfly. Let's start with its wings, small body, another wing and its antennas. That was super easy. Let's add the pretty details too. Curvy lines and small circles. Wow! It's looking great! Time to paint. Let's start with a beautiful golden color to fill in the body. And some of the details too. On to some red color. And green. Some lovely blue. And here comes pink. Let's go for purple. Some teal now. Let's finish off with some magenta. So colorful and magical. A lovely, beautiful butterfly. Happy Halloween, everyone! We all love to eat yummy Halloween candies. Let us draw and paint. Let's start with our first candy, a stick and a skull face to begin with. Here goes the teeth, the nose and the eyes, and some swirly lines for our candy stick. Another candy stick with Frankenstein's face. And a third candy stick with a ghost face. Boo! And a fourth candy stick that looks like a carved pumpkin. Magic! It's time to paint our Halloween candies. Purple for the skull. Yellow for the eyes and teeth. Green for the nose and for the candy stick too. And color in with orange. Done with the first candy. Let's use some brown for Frankenstein's head. And golden color for his eyes. Green for his face. And pink for his mouth. Let's paint the candy stick blue and red. Done with the second candy. Now let's paint the ghost face pink. And his mouth blue. And yellow for his spooky eyes. And for the candy stick, let's use some green and color in with orange. Done with the third one too. For the last candy stick, let us use some yellow for the pumpkin's face. And red for the candy stick and for the eyes too. Let's use pink for his mouth. And blue for his nose and other parts of the candy stick. Yay! Our Halloween candies are done. They look so cool and spooky. Happy Halloween, everyone! Subscribe and watch more! Chiki Art!